As I have told you in the last 2 sessions, the Eightfold Path, as it was given by Buddha and as it lives in tradition until nowadays, is a path through our chakras. We develop these chakras in order to develop especially this chakra, the throat chakra, the chakra which is also called the chakra with 16 leaves. And it's said that 8 leaves have been developed during the time of the development of mankind. And now we human beings have reached the stage that we have to transcend them, that we have to develop them further and to make out of the 8 working ones and the other 8 which were prepared for us, that we must get them to blossom fully. And especially today you will see we reach the 3rd chakra at the right opinion. We were busy with the crown chakra, with the right judgment. We were busy with the forehead chakra, the chakra of wisdom. And now we are busy with the larynx chakra, the chakra of speech, the chakra of expressing oneself, the chakra also of combining this realm of the heavens, you could say, of the stars, with the realm of the earth, where everything is working into each other. And when you look at how the Eightfold Path lives in tradition, and look into the different sources which are available, you find pretty similar expressions what is meant with these 3rd steps. And you find something like the right speech avoids lies, defamation, insult, and chatter. Like thoughts, also speech can be wholesome or unwholesome, useful or useless, true or false. A good word is what comes in time, which is true, polite, practical, and comes from a loving mind. That's the attitude we try to deal with, to achieve, or to reflect on when we are busy with this 3rd stage of the Eightfold Path. And when we go through the planets, we have in a way the crown chakra Saturn, the forehead chakra Jupiter, and the larynx chakra Mars, before we reach the heart, the sun. The same as it's out there in space in the order of the planets. If you go through the days of the week, as Rudolf Steiner has suggested, to do it in addition, then we have again Saturn at the 1st stage, and then comes after Saturday, Sunday, the sun already here, where we had Jupiter before, or as well, and here after Sunday, the 3rd day, is moon. So we have this moon quality also around this area as a theme. For those of you who are busy with or know about astrology, you know that there you also say this area is connected to Mercury. Yeah? So why do you speak about Mars or about Moon? That's not right. But the important thing is not what is right or wrong, but in this you will also find in many, many alternative medicine areas that it is the system you are working with which brings about the effectiveness, the value, the relevance of something. So you can, if you go through this like the order of the planets, then you really can work with it because the body feels understood. If you work with it like you do it with the day of the weeks, then the chakras also feel understood and start to react when you talk to them through these glasses. And when you look at it through the point of view or angle of view from astrology, then you have again different ways of looking at the body and also on the healing aspects of the body. And again, the body feels understood. You probably sometimes know therapists which have similar therapies, and everyone works a little bit different. And then you also must ask yourself, who is right, who is wrong? And then you find out that the way he or she understands the totality of what he or she is doing makes it work. And somebody else can work a little bit different totality. But what it is making work is that it's a totality behind it. And here you're a little bit working more out of this area of forces, here a little bit more out of with these qualities. Yeah. But you are still working, you are still right in your system, and that's why it's working. Okay, so we connect this quality of Mars, quality of really wanting to achieve something, feeling a task in yourself, with the quality of the day of the week, Monday, moon day. And in eurythmy, we have the I related to moon. When we work with the vowel I, which acts as a diphthong, I, you will notice that's a path to the I. What's more reasonable than to start with oneself, with my I? For this reason, I invite you just to find a space where you can stand comfortably. You don't need much space. We do, in the course of time, 2 steps forward and 1 step backward, small ones. So just, you will find out what feels good for you.